Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in a circle of radius 8 cm, an arc subtends an angle of 45 degrees at the center. Find the length of the arc. Here we have given AB is a chord, then AXB is major arc, then OA equals to OB equals to, means it is radius, which is 8 cm we have given. Arc AXB subtend an angle 45 degrees at O. So length of arc AXB is 45 divided by 360 into 2 pi r, that is 45 divided by 360 into 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r is 8. So after solving this, we get it is this is 6.29 centimeters. So our correct option is option C, which is 6.29 centimeters.